I purchased this item because I needed to protect my Chevy Trax's trunk from dirt and damage. I often carry groceries, sports gear, and sometimes messy outdoor equipment, so keeping the trunk clean is a must for me. It's great because no matter what I put in my trunk, I know the liner will keep it protected. It fits my trunk exactly without any gaps. Cleaning it is a breeze. A quick wipe or a hose down, and it's ready to go again. This cargo liner is a fantastic investment for any Chevy Trax owner. It's durable, easy to maintain, and fits perfectly. It's made keeping my trunk clean so much easier and hassle-free. I'd recommend it to any 2024 Chevy Trax owner who wants to keep their trunk space clean and protected. Whether you're hauling groceries, carrying sports equipment, or transporting outdoor gear, this cargo liner is up to the task.